Possible, back at it again with another video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you do two things: like and subscribe. We're growing every single day. The man behind the camera is my little brother, Zon, the Don. Now, little Zon behind the camera. And right now, we are about to do a rev battle between both of my cars that you guys know, both of my JDM legends in the making. Dinner Integra, dinner JDM legend in the making. But anyways, these are both my dream cars. I got them, thank God. God was good, and thanks to you guys, it allowed me to get the Z. I got that off my own hard work, but you know what I'm saying? I still worked hard on my YouTube because it's not easy, but thanks to you guys, it allowed me to buy this car. So, with that being said, right now we have a rev contest between my 1994 Acura Integra LS versus my 2006 Nissan 350Z DE rev up engine. So, with that being said, a lot of you guys been asking me to do something like this. It's been difficult for me to do by myself because 90% of the time I'm driving by myself, I'm by myself, and my brother is not always around. So tonight we got a good thing. Hold on, watch out. Okay, never mind. Anyways, we got people acting like retards. All right, so now, with that being said, we finally got these cars here, and we're about to do a nice rev contest. Don, who do you think gonna win the rev contest?
I think the Z is gonna win.
All right, so he's being biased because he got his little Z gang. You
No.
VQ Boys Society. So he's going for the 350Z. Me personally, I don't know. That's what I want to find out, because honestly, anybody can relate to this. I can relate to this. When you're driving, you're sitting inside, it can sound some way, but usually it's louder, but we don't always necessarily hear it ourselves because we always driving. We don't have a third eye view, you know what I'm saying? Whatever that makes sense. So yeah, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna stop talking a little bit more, and we're gonna get my punk ass in his car. So Zon's gonna record the cars, and he can hear both of the cars from the outside. Me, I want him to just be the judge of it, and I want you guys too. And let me know in the comments right now. Stop the video, put it on pause. Which one you think is gonna win the battle? This right here is a this is a V6 engine, and this one is a 4-cylinder. All right, so let me know what you guys think is going to win. And I didn't think I did this yet. So right here, the 350Z, this car is straight pipe from Cat's back. So basically this car has no resonator and no muffler.
That truck probably thinks he won.
Yeah, so fuck him. Anyways, like I said, we're keeping that in. So this one has a muffler delete and resonator delete. Still got his cats. Over here, this one has just a muffler delete. It still has his resonator and it still got his cats. So right now it's at a disadvantage because this one has more modified to the exhaust. But anyways, we're not gonna talk. I'm gonna hop my ass in the Z. Zon gonna record this whole process, and then we're gonna see what wins. All right, so let's do this. Zon and Z gang, here you guys go for the VQ squad that follows me. Let's get our asses in here. I'm gonna give them 3 revs, 3 little revs. Hopefully we don't get caught.
Make the big one, make the last one a big one.
How it sound?
Loudest, as loud as something could be, man.
All right, so now this is the 4-cylinder Honda gang, Acura gang. Let me know what y'all think down below if this is gonna beat this. So let's get in here. I'm gonna give it 3 revs. All right, so how you feel?
I mean, this should sound better.
Wow, okay.
This should sound better.
Zon said this one. Okay, tell me what you said, because my phone just died. We have to go on his phone.
My reaction, y'all, is I was like, holy shit. Because, like, the tone is like, it's like cleaner and it's deeper. And And I did not expect that because it's a 4-cylinder. But the tone is cleaner and it's deeper. It gets more like throaty. Right. This car is more like, I'm here, motherfucker. But this car is more like remember how when we had our rev battle? Right. My Honda was just, I'm here, motherfucker. And yours is like race car. Right. That's how this one's, it's like a race car. And this is like, I'm here. Right. I like this sound more though.
You like that sound better?
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie.
Obviously, I don't know how they really sound because I'm always in my car, so I don't know. He don't drive my shit like that, or never really drive it, so he knows he can pick his own sound out. I didn't really know. I don't know, man. I didn't really know because I know this shit's hell loud when I drive. This one's loud.
The crazy part is, sorry to interrupt, this damn near sound as loud as this, and this still has a resonator.
Yeah, so this one only has...
I'm scared.
This one only has a muffler delete. I still have the resonator. The resonator controls like about 60% of the sound of the car. It could be more than that, but yeah, this one, I didn't even take once I take the resonators off this, because this is a track car, so I want a lot of airflow, and this one already got that. So this one have advantage with an extra modification to the exhaust. But yeah, this one is cool when I drive. So that's the difference. When I drive this shit just full, all out. But when I drive this, I don't really floor it. So I know it sounds loud, but I don't really know because I'm inside the cockpit, so I can't really tell the difference. But yeah, I don't know. I don't know. I know Integras are fucking loud. These are loud. I didn't know. So Zon, who do you think the winner is?
The Integra is the winner.
Okay, so who got a better tone?
The Integra.
Oh, what? I thought you were gonna say the Z.
Nah, I thought I would too, but.
And who got the better tone?
The Integra.
Who got the loudest?
The Z.
Wow, I didn't think Zani was gonna say. I thought Zani was gonna be like Z.
Nah, I thought I was too, but after I heard this, I was like, God damn, this is like a race car.
Bro, this shit's fucking loud. But yeah, so
the tone is like unique, so unique.
Yeah. So. Do me a favor, make sure y'all go down below the video and give me your opinion. Give me what you guys think had the better tone, which one was louder, which one you guys thought was gonna win. And be honest, don't just say, oh, I thought this one was gonna win, because it's no right answer here. We just want to see you guys' opinions. My Honda game versus my Z game, VQ game. Anyways, where we go. Anyway, so just let me know what you guys think down in the comments. I appreciate you guys for watching this video. I wanted to do something a little bit different. It's just hard to do shit by myself, so I had to get my brother off the 2K to help me out for a second. And yeah, so smash the thumbs up, smash the likes. Please make this video go viral. And we out. Deuce.